In the Egyptian religion assignment, you'll notice there are two parts. The first part is to read this 2-page article about the Egyptian gods. This describes a little bit about the Egyptian religious beliefs, including some information, just quick facts about some of the famous gods and goddesses. And if you read through this article, you'll notice there are two sections. This first part talks about the gods and goddesses, and then this one's more general, what they believed in. After you read this 2-page article, you'll go back and take a look at the assignment. The assignment this week is a crossword puzzle. Now I know this might be a little bit challenging to do online, but you have this crossword puzzle. You have your clues. One option is you can download it, and using the corner 3 dots for more actions, if you open the crossword puzzle in a new tab, you will get the option to download it. Now when you download things, you are able to edit them a little bit easier. I've noticed that some of you have used other programs to edit PDFs, which I think is great. You're welcome to do this however you'd like. Another option is if you're not interested in actually editing and trying to fill in the little boxes, you'll notice there's a part in your work that includes the same clues. So one down was a famous cat goddess, and the 6 here tells you how many letters were in the word, kind of like a crossword puzzle does. So you can put your answers after each of the clues. If you get stuck working on this, I would suggest going back to the actual crossword puzzle, because once in a while, like you notice crossword puzzles do, you might get a first letter or a second letter to give you a hint. If you've done another question, that will help you with the question you're currently on. All of this information is found in the 2-page article, so make sure you read that carefully and go back to it if you get stuck on any of these questions. When you're finished, click Turn In. If you've written on a PDF, make sure you add that before you click Turn In. And if you have any questions, you can add them in the comments or send me an email. One more thing that you might have noticed, as it is right now, there are no videos, but there is going to be a video coming up that gives you a little bit more information about Egyptian religion if you're still interested in learning more about those gods and goddesses.